Right then, back at the machine. I won't lie to you, it's been a few days since I've made an attempt to sort this out, because once I tried to get the flywheel off, I realised that it's held on with this circlip, and of course circlip pliers are not your everyday bit of kit that you keep in your toolbox. I used to have some years ago, and I had a clear out, thought I'd never need any again, had a clear out, and now I needed another pair. So good old Amazon, and they arrived the other day, and as you can see in there, that's where the circlip was. And obviously I had to remember to get external circlip pliers, not internal. Didn't fall for that one. So managed to get the circlip off, and then that just comes off like so, creating more dust and rubbish. And there's another circlip on the back there, which keeps that main shaft in place, with the adjustment on the back as well. Right, so I'm going to now unpack the new belt. Just put that on there temporarily, so, and hopefully not knocking that blooming circlip onto the floor and losing it in all the chaos in this shed. Right, okay, so I'm going to now unpack this and then try and position it on both ends of the pulley, and obviously that's a two-handed job, so I've got to stop filming, and I'll keep you updated back shortly. Okay, as I suspected at the start of the video, we're going to have to do quite a bit of adjustment on that motor. As you can see, the belt's on the grooves there at the top here. You can see that, and then the grooves on the inside of the belt line up with that spindle there, which comes off the motor. So I've got to undo the Allen bolts on the motor and then rotate it upwards and centrally. Again, two-handed job. Keep you posted. Okay, so I've slackened off the two Allen bolts on the motor body around the other side, and as you can see, I've now got play on the motor to bring it up towards the belt. So as I said, see the grooves there on that spindle, match the grooves on the belt onto there, and then tighten everything down. Should be good to go. Again, I need both hands, so I'll come back to you once I've got the belt on there. Okay, so I've got the belt on, got the motor tightened down at the back, as you can see. Rotates nicely there. At the moment it was like everything else, it was a bit fiddly. We've got there in the end. Now gotta put good old circlip back on there, tighten the blades down, and then we're ready for a test run. And there's the old one, look. I mean, that's gone hard and it's just basically disintegrated. So I think that's been on there quite a while. But okay, so I'll get the circlip on, tighten down the blade, and then we'll go for the grand switch on. Okay, two-handed job again, back shortly. Okay, we're back. Circlip on the centre there. Easier than I thought, but obviously I need two hands. Hardest thing was trying to get this blooming blade onto the pulleys. The adjustment there, you need about 18 hands holding it at the top and the bottom, and then trying to adjust it and put some tension on it. Okay, so it's grand switching on time, and hopefully nothing goes whoosh bang and flies off everywhere. Obviously I've got to shut these doors because they've got safety switches on them. So I'll get them shut and then come back for the grand switch on. Okay, that's all the doors closed. Top. Obviously you have to have these closed because of the micro switches inside, which stops it being turned on while the working parts are exposed, I guess. Okay, here we go then. Fingers crossed. Green button. Well, amazing. That's the best it's ever run. Happy days. Okay, so that's that done. Hope it helps somebody down the line who's got one of these machines or very similar. I should think internals are pretty similar on these. But yeah, it's always satisfying when you get something sorted out yourself. Good old internet for your spares. All seem to be out there if you look hard enough, and saves you a lot of money. So thank you for watching, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, that would be appreciated. Thanks very much. Until next time.